Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Shimi's Kitchen with me Shamala. So today I'll be making an excellent recipe, mutton and dill leaves curry. Dill leaves is being the main ingredient in this dish. Tastes extremely good with roti and rice. I encourage you to try this at home and let me know how it turned out for you. Do tag us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen. Now let's see how we make it. Heat 3 tablespoons oil in a pressure cooker. Now add 2 medium-sized chopped onions. Fry this well till it becomes translucent. To this I am adding 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Give this a very good mix. Goes in 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. To this I am adding 3 chopped tomatoes. Cook this well till tomatoes become soft and mushy. Now adding 1 bunch dill leaves washed and chopped. Stir well. Goes in 500 grams of mutton. Give this a very good mix. Adding 2 peeled and chopped potatoes. Now adding 1 cup of water in it. Mix well. Goes in 1 tablespoon coconut paste. Give a good mix. And now close the lid and pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Once mutton becomes tender and cooked, and now you can serve this with roti or rice. Dill leaves are packed with various essential nutrients and help in maintaining overall health. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you in our next video. Till then, have a nice day.